In Module 3, you will learn how to upload supporting documents needed for your ePortfolio. Let's start off with the awards and accomplishments section of your ePortfolio. So what you do here is you're going to start typing in all the awards that you have received throughout your high school years or accomplishments. So let's say you were part of the Raiderette. So I have a picture here on my computer, so I'm just going to click on upload, and I got this award during the summer. So I'm just going to maximize it so I can see the awards here, and right here I can just type in the name of the award. So let's put Excellence Award, and here you're going to type in the description. When did you get it? Where did you get it? So I received this award during dance camp in Dallas, Texas on June of this year, 2022. It doesn't have to be a big description, just a couple of sentences or just one sentence where you received this. So maybe the next accomplishment is I'm going to upload, you know what, I'm part of the softball team and I'm a district champs award. And you can say here I received this award on March of 2021 of last year. I'm just making some dates up right here. And you know what if it's not an award, but you were part of a team or something like that. So I'm just gonna upload, you know what, I was part of the drama team, and we went to compete and we were state champions. And you can just type in the name of the play here, where did you receive it, what year. And so it doesn't have to be some award. You can just be I was part of the folklorico team, I was part of the choir team, the band members team. I mean, whatever you guys were part of, you can just type it out and upload supporting documents here on this page. Part of your membership duties is community hours. So on this one, you're gonna upload your supporting documents for your community hours. So let's say you went to go help out at Quinta Mazatlan. When did you go? Let's say you went March 25th of this year. From what time to what time? Let's say I went from 8 o'clock to 12 in the afternoon. And then you can just upload here. You can change this and make it to the center, make the title bigger. I mean, play around with the settings so that it can look to the how you want it to look. And from here, you can upload either a video or a picture. So I'm just gonna click here and I'm gonna upload, you know what, a group picture here. I have 2 other pictures to support that I was there. See, I was cleaning up there, and maybe one more that I was picking up trash here. And so, like I said, it doesn't have to be pictures, it could be video as well, but just make sure that you also type, and I forgot to put this, the contact person, the name and the phone number. And let's put it here, phone number, so that the NHA's coordinator can actually contact this person to verify that you were actually there helping out from 8 to 12, which this will consist of 4 hours. And of course, you have more sections here in which you can upload documents to support your community hours. What if you need more? Well, then you click here you're going to duplicate this part and just drag it down. and you're going to click on this part, duplicate, and drag it down so that you can add more events. So this is event 4, only if needed. And then the last part to upload, it's your grades. So on this one, you're gonna have to take a picture of your report card, and you're just gonna click here and click on upload. And it should be saved on your computer so that the NHS coordinator can actually see your grades for your first 6 weeks, second 6 weeks, third 6 weeks, all the way to the last 6 weeks of that you're enrolled in high school.